This is the sea 150 nautical miles north of the Spanish coast. A 164-meter Panamanian-flagged RORO cargo ship with a total load capacity of 35,000 tons is drifting at sea. On its way from France to Los Angeles, the ship encountered stormy weather in Spanish waters. The strong winds caused the ship to lose balance and tilt. The Spanish Coast Guard successfully rescued all 22 crew members as it drifted through Spanish waters. The wind and waves pushed the cargo ship toward French waters. The severely tilted vessel risked leaking fuel and running aground, which could cause an environmental disaster, necessitating immediate rescue action. Within 24 hours, the French salvage team arrived on the scene. A French Navy frigate and a French tugboat were also nearby, monitoring the situation and standing by. Due to the severe tilt and the high waves, directly boarding the ship was too risky. The rescue team conducted a thorough aerial survey of the cargo ship before devising a rescue plan. They decided to connect the cargo ship to the tugboat using tow cables and tow it to port. After approval from the rescue headquarters, the salvage operation began. In the storm, a helicopter transferred a 4-person rescue team from the Navy frigate to the cargo ship's deck to find fixed points for the tow cables. The worsening waves and wind made it impossible for the rescue team to attach the tow cables to the tugboat. After several attempts, they decided to retreat temporarily to ensure safety. The cargo ship drifted to just 25 nautical miles from the French coast 3 days later. The water was getting shallower and the rocks more numerous. If it drifted any further, the cargo ship would run aground. The rescue operation had to be carried out immediately. For salvage team members were hoisted again onto the RORO cargo ship by helicopter. Before the cargo ship ran aground, the team successfully connected the tow cables to the tugboat. The tugboat went full throttle, controlling the ship's drift toward the coast. A helicopter hovered overhead, constantly monitoring the situation. 2 days later, the rescue team received news that the port of Bilbao was willing to accept the RORO cargo ship. The rescue team boarded the boat again, preparing to add another tow cable to secure it to a second tugboat. 2 hours later, the 2 tugboats towed the cargo ship toward the port. Equipment and supplies for repairing the cargo ship were also transported to the port. After the tugboats entered the port, the rescue team coordinated with ground personnel to safely and securely dock the ship. The cargo ship's repair work immediately began. Time is money, so workers sped up the securing process. After 5 days of thorough inspection, repair experts decided to ballast the cargo ship's oil tanks to correct its center of gravity. 3 weeks later, the ship was successfully righted, and the rescue team returned it to its owner.